St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 4th, Subject Mathematics by Richa Garg. Chapter number 1, Building with Bricks. Building with bricks. In this chapter, students, we will learn how we can create different patterns with the help of bricks. First, let us understand what are bricks. You can see the image of bricks. Bricks means int. We use bricks in making different pathways and buildings. This is the story of a Jagriti school in West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make a brick pattern on the floor and on walls. So they wanted to get new ideas for the school building. In this picture, building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. Now let me show you what kind of patterns they are. Look down how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. Which floor pattern do you like the most, children? I like pattern 5 because this seems familiar. I have seen this pattern already somewhere else also. Next question, have you seen such pattern anywhere? Yes, this type of pattern is similar in mosque. I have seen this kind of pattern in mosque also. In this picture, masons came back excited and they made some beautiful brick patterns. And now masons are like, let us make some more beautiful patterns on school floor. So these are the patterns or images down. Now tell me which pattern is made in circle, children. As you can see, J pattern is forming a circle, right? Now the next question is, children, in which pattern can you see mirror halves? Mirror halves means, children, if you put mirror in between the right side and the left side of both the image should be the same. So in this question, according to me, half image, mirror image is BFHI. Form the mirror half images. Correct, children? Now the next question will be your homework. In this question, you will draw some new floor patterns. Okay, children? Now, how to draw a bricks. So there are two photos of the same bricks. Now let us do this question, students. How many faces in all does a bricks have? According to me, there are total 6 faces in all bricks have. Like one face on the top side, second on the down side, third on the front side, fourth on the back side, fifth on the right side, and sixth on the left side. Like total 6 faces does a brick have. Now the next question is, students, is any face a square? Is any face a square? No, a brick has no square faces. Okay, children? Now the next question will be your homework. In that you will draw the smallest face of the brick in your book. In your notebook, you will draw a smallest face of the brick? Fun activity, students. Now in this we'll be doing 4 questions. The first question is, which of these are the faces of a brick? You have to mark a tick mark, green tick mark. Okay, children? So according to me, these two are the faces of a brick. The one which is done with a green color, green tick mark, that is the two faces. Okay, children? The next question is, which of these is a drawing of a brick? Which of these is a drawing of a brick? According to me, these two is a drawing of a brick. The one which are done with a green color, that are the drawing of the bricks. Now let's move to the next question. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. Now I have drawn this image. In this you can see 3 faces on it. Okay, children? One face, two face and third face. Now next question. Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? No, we cannot make a drawing of a brick showing 4 of its faces. A wall that will not fall. Now you can see, student, it is a wall of a Munia and Zainab. They have made different patterns and made a wall. When Zainab has made a wall, she first used 3 bricks, then 2 bricks and then 1 brick. And Munia used 3 bricks, then again 3 bricks and then again 3 bricks. Now, Zainab is like, her wall will not fall easily, and masons too say that they do not put bricks one on top of the other, what Munia has done. So children, tell me, what do you think? Which wall will be stronger, according to you? Students, according to me, Zainab wall will be stronger than that of Munia, as she is getting support from all the sides. If we see Munia's wall, it is just going straight, so it may fall at any time. So this will be not much stronger as compared to Zainab. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? So you can see there is a difference in the brick patterns. We can see that some bricks are placed vertically and some bricks are placed horizontally. Now you have to match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing. So we can see the first pattern matches with B, the second pattern matches with C, and the third pattern matches with A. Now students, our next topic is about Jali. In this people are saying Jagriti school has many Jali patterns. You know what is Jali? You can see the black circle in this image. This is a Jali pattern. These all are Jali patterns. Now let me ask you question, students. How many different Jali patterns can you see in these 2 photos? Now I can see 5 Jali patterns. You can see the colored black circle one. That are the Jali patterns. Okay, students? So now, students, this is also another beautiful jali pattern. Now below is your homework. In this picture, you have to color some bricks with red color and make your own beautiful jali pattern. Now, in these two pictures, you can see different types of jali pattern is made. Now in this picture, students, can you see this window of the school? This window is called jharoka. You know what do you mean by jharoka, children? Jharoka means from where you can see anything the way we see through window. Okay, children? Now down empty brick pattern will be your homework. In that you have to make beautiful jharoka pattern on the wall with the help of black color. This is a beautiful picture of a house. In this picture, how beautifully jali window is being made by thin bricks. So tell me now, have you ever seen this thin bricks? Yes, I have seen this thin bricks in some very old buildings in my father's village. In this picture, you can see arcs, the one which is shown with a green arrow. So these are the different kinds of beautiful arcs. So let me ask you some questions, children. Okay? Now tell me, have you seen arc in a bridge? Yes, I have seen arcs in a bridge. Okay, children? Now my next question is, tell me, where else have you seen an arc? I have seen an arc in my uncle's home. In this Jamal and Kalu, the masons of Jagriti school, said that their grandfather used many different kinds of brick. Now students, let me ask you a question. Which of these brick have curved edge? Children, do you know what is curved edge? Okay, you can see this image. In this image, bricks are curved. Okay, children? So tell me students, which bricks have curved edge? So according to me, brick A and B from the top left side has curved edge, students. Okay? Now my next question is, students, how many faces do you see of the longest brick? Tell me, students, longest brick. Faces do you see on the longest brick? Okay, so according to me, two faces are seen in the longest brick. Okay? Now my next question is, children, is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces, children? No, a brick cannot have more than 6 faces. Okay, children? Now it's a fun activity, children. Okay? You have to tell me what will be the size of a brick. You will measure the brick size and you will write your own answer. So let's start with question number 1. How long is the brick size? According to me, it is 22 centimeter in length. Okay, children? Now, my next question is, how wide is a brick? How wide should be the brick size? According to me, it is 11 centimeter wide. Okay, children? Okay, now next question is, how high it is? How high a brick can be? So according to me, it can be 6 centimeter high. Okay, children? Now let's move to the next question. In this question, Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. So tell me students, how much brick will she needs to put in a line? How many bricks will she needs to put in a line? So according to me, she needs more than 4 bricks to make a wall of 1 meter long. Okay? Now the next question is, students, can you guess how much high is the chimney here in this photo? Option, it is 5 meter, B about 15 meter, or C about 15 meter. How high is chimney here? Say, students. So according to me, student, it must be around 50 meter because the chimney are usually too high. And okay, children? Now, in this students, pictures are arranged. You have to tell me how brick is to be made. So, as you can see, according to me, to make a brick, they will first dig and collect the brick material. After that, they will make a brick dough and put it in a one brick frame. After that, they will arrange all the bricks to get dry, and like this, the brick is made. So the correct order is C, D, B and A. Now let's move to the next question, students. In this, have you seen a bricklin? Did you try to guess the number of brick kept here in this photo? Yes, I have seen a bricklin. There may be more than 1 lakh bricks kept in a bricklin. Bricklin is a place where bricks are made and kept over there, children. Now look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by these truck students. So according to me, the truck is carrying around 10,000 bricks or more than that also. Okay, students? Now the next question is, how much truck driver carry bricks in one truck? How much truck driver can carry bricks in one truck? Tell me, students. So according to me, I think a truck driver can carry around 10,000 bricks in one truck. Mental maths. Children, down is the image. You can see this is a one question. In this, Bhajan buys bricks. Now, in this, Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given from 1,000 bricks. The price were also different from different types of bricks. Okay, children. Old bricks price is rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. If you want to purchase 1000 bricks, you have to pay rupees 1200. New bricks from Intapur is rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. If you want to buy new bricks from Intapur, you have to pay rupees 1800. Okay. New bricks from Brikabad is rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. If you want to purchase 2000 bricks, you have to buy this new brick, you have to pay rupees 2000. Okay. Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brikabad. He bought 3000 bricks. Now how much did he pay? How much Bhajan has to pay for this 3000 bricks? So Bhajan will pay 6000 rupees for 3000 bricks. How? The price of 1000 brick is rupees 2000 from Brikabad, right? So 2000 into 3000 bricks will give you how much? 6000 bricks. Now the next question is, guess what he will pay if he buy 500 old bricks. What is the price of old bricks? It's 1200 for 1000 bricks. Now Bhajan is like he wants to buy 500 bricks only. He don't want to buy 1000 bricks. He wants to buy just 500 bricks. So what we will do, we will divide. Okay. So he will, what you have to do, you have to divide 1200 by 2. By 2 you will divide, you will get the answer how much? 600. So he has to pay 600 for old bricks. For old 500 bricks he has to pay rupees 600.